Iyaqhubeka imbizo kaMengameli wezwe eSedibeng eNingizimu yeGauteng. UMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ephelezelwa oNgqongqoshe abahola iminyango kahulumeni ehlukene bahambele kuleyandawo njengengxenye yaloluhlelo okuhloswe ngalo ukwenza ngcono ukuhlinzekwa kwemiphakathi ngezidingo ngqangi. Lena imbizo kaMengameli yesine ngemva kokuthi yasingathwana kwezinye izifundazwe. Asiphose intambo eSedibeng sicoshe bukhoma imbizo kaMengameli.
You might prefer to do that for plaking 18. Mara Harris na le fatsi ko plaking eo. Re na le fatsi sa mo re agile mat. Re ko ba re dumelane le movele go. Re ska sokodisana le re blela go tlogakana. Ke mo re gonang go aga teng. Matu a wa fedile, di units di teng, batho ba gana o movela mo ba re gogole. So a re tlo dumelanang ka yona, a re dumelaneng ka yona because ke yona e lo reng MEC na ntlhalosetsa maobane because ne re lo handa out matlo ko teng maobane re batla o understand le MEC gore go bane ha re fitla mo projecting eo re fitlela e go lesedi maspaleng wa lesedi project ya teng ke utlwa ba bang ba mbitsa gore minister e go kae ke tla le fa le bitso la yona ke go empumelelweng re na le di units tse di leng teng ba golo ba ne re batla o ba movela go na le mena bua mona a re ke mogolo ga ke na ntlo ba golo ba ile re ne re batla o ba movela go ba ganne go ya ba bangata ba re ga bano ya ka mo go ba ne go gakana now di units ne di le teng for bona re a kopa that's why ke tlhalosa gore re a kopa ba golo ba rona ha e be le gore matlo a teng a available and o fila gore o batla o ke a bua ke project ke mpomelelo ne re tlo yona maobane so re tlo kopa re berekisane le setšhaba sa rona mo president ya bofelo ke di hostel ke accept gore di hostel ha ra di arabela hantle ga ra dira le tsona hantle di na le mathata ka ra Gauteng ha se mona Sedibeng fela ke na le di hostel ka ra Johannesburg re na le di hostel tsa Davidson ba ba entse bile city ko national office re tlamme gore re tlo etsa project and focus for the hostel across gore re kgone o dula tse ding gape ke di properties tsa Transnet ke ntse ke dila le tsona le 2 days e fitile re ntse re bereka le Human Rights Commission e lo re di hostel tsa teng di fola under Transnet e lo ring ba offera gore ba re fa tsona but we are trying to finalize the logistics study so that the upgrade the best we mo lo ring go right.
Khathi eqala ukukhuluma uMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uthe benguhulumeni bazokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi baqhamuka namasu aphusile okuxazululwa kwezingqinamba ezibhekene nabantu. Lembizo yaseSedibeng ibanjwe ngaphansi kwesiqubulo esithi leave no one behind.
Some of you have come here to say this is what you should do with ECDs, this is what you should do with agricultural boards, bring them back. Some of you have come here to say, we want to help government. Allow us to help government and so forth and so. Some of you are already saying, we are doing quite a lot of work, helping or dealing with the transformers and so forth. And it's wonderful that the CEOs of major companies are also here. Agricultural companies, electricity companies, farming companies and so forth. So I am grateful.
Kulembizo izakhamuzi zitshele uMengameli ngeinkinga ezibhekene nazo.
We are struggling with our local municipalities that we must beg to intervene. We must beg them to assist them. And that is a problem that we are having.
Can you make sure that the tenders set on Mosidibeng, the benefit the people and even the women that are in compliance in terms of the industry?
I'm kindly requesting you to instruct your managers to have a monthly meetings with ward councillors, ward committees and community development workers. Part of those meetings should members of ward committees and councillors and CDWs must submit the list of dysfunctional transformers.
Batho ba disabled ka ro gauta ha ke tsama kaofela bana le bothata ba hore ba etsiwa jalo ka re entswe ha re fitla mona ba hore ba renge ba re be ka morao re ska ra bonwa ke mo president.
Bana le bothata ba
sebeditseng ho yona ba bang ba na le 15 years ba bang ba na le 10 years ba ntse ba le ka tlasa yona. The year 2020 ba ndile masuku o ile a fihla a re fa permanente rona tse re le kantle.
In agriculture, we are finding it very difficult to operate in Imbizo. We do not have a budget for agriculture at our municipality. We do not even have a tractor to assist us. We are trying on our own, on our personal funds, but without the help of the provincial government, our municipality is failing to assist us.
President, ke kopa ntwa ka ha o bue ke kgathetse go gabala phatsi ke kgathetse